What is the best steam mops for tile floors and grout? Here are my full reviews of the best steam mops for tile floors and grout. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Bissell Powerfresh Steam Mop. The Bissell Powerfresh Steam Mop 1940 cleans messes while leaving behind a fresh, spring breeze scent. This heavy-duty unit is designed to handle the worst messes, including tough-to-clean stains on grout. Many steam cleaners struggle with grout, so this is an ideal unit for tile lovers. The 23-foot-long power cord provides a wide range of motion, so you can clean a large amount of floor space before you need to unplug and replug it in. The unit comes with a large water tank that can handle up to 90 minutes of use before it needs a refill. Overall, the Powerfresh is ideal for homeowners with a large amount of floor space to clean. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. Bissell 1806 Powerfresh Deluxe Steam Mop. The Powerfresh Steam Mop by Bissell is designed for long-lasting performance. Not only will the mop leave your floors looking cleaner, but the microban-infused mod pads will sanitize your floors to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria without the use of harsh chemicals. You can use the Powerfresh on floors of all types, including carpet, since it's equipped with a detachable carpet glider. This model is user-friendly and makes the steam cleaning process easy. The water tank is transparent so you can see when the water level is low. Plus, the box comes with a measuring cup for easily pouring the correct amount in the tank. The tank is large enough to handle almost a full hour of non-stop cleaning. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. Shark S5000 3D Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System. The Shark Genius Hard Floor Cleaning System, S5000 3D, is designed to help you clean your floors as quickly and efficiently as possible. The large, extra-wide mop head and double-sided mop pads mean you do not have to make as many passes over the mess. The mop head is mounted on a swivel joint, so it's highly maneuverable and can clean even the most difficult-to-reach places. Reviewers love that the mop pads are highly absorbent and are designed to be used up to 20 times before they need replacement. This makes ongoing costs cheaper than models that need new mop pads after each use. Plus, the price is competitive compared to similar steam cleaners on the market. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. O-Cedar Microfiber Steam Mop. The Microfiber Steam Mop by O-Cedar is consistently one of the top-ranked units available on the market. It's lightweight, durable, and versatile. Plus, it has a handy attachment for spot cleaning on carpets and furniture. For such a high-quality machine, it's also extremely affordable. One of the most popular features of the O-Cedar mop is that it heats up quickly. Once you add water and turn on the device, it only takes 20 seconds to heat up enough to begin cleaning. Standard units can take up to several minutes before they're ready, which can be a pain when you need to refill it while cleaning. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. Bissell Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop. It's no surprise that the Bissell Powerfresh is a best-selling steam mop on Amazon. What do people like about it? Customers like that the Powerfresh offers a little bit of everything. Not only is it versatile and well-designed, but it's also affordable. The Powerfresh is a 3-in-1 machine that can be used as an upright steam cleaner as well as a handheld cleaner for cleaning harder-to-reach places. It's able to remove even the toughest stains and dirt. Plus, it comes with reusable mop pads which you can rewash and use again and again. This makes the Bissell Powerfresh one of the most environmentally friendly units on the market. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.